Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Westlaw for legal information, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Westlaw for legal information, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Westlaw website URL. Press enter to access the home page. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Then, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you do not have an account, look for a register or free trial option. Follow the prompts to create a new account, providing the necessary information. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your legal query or keywords related to your research. Hit enter or click the search icon to initiate the search. Review the results displayed on the screen. Use filters on the left side to narrow down your search by jurisdiction, date, or type of document. Click on a relevant result to view more details. Take note of the tools available, such as citation assistance or case analysis options. If you need further assistance, access the help section for tutorials and FAQ. You can also contact customer support via chat or email for specific inquiries. When done, log out of your account for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.